Hi, this is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn T-Box XSD Validation Module. So T-Box XSD Validation Module is used to validate your XML file with your XSD file. So I quickly jump to my Windows Explorer. So this is my book.xml file and this is my catalog.xml file. I want to validate that this XML file is same as the XSD file. So I jump to Tosca. So this is where you can find the XSD validation module, which is Tbox as X engines, XML, and XSD validation. So this is my test case, use of Tbox XSD validation. And here I simply give the path of my book.xml file and catalog.xsd file. I quickly run this. As you can see, my test case is passed. So this is how you can validate your XML file with your XSD file. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.